Welcome to your ultimate destination for honest gadget reviews and the latest tech updates. Here, we explore must-have accessories to help you choose the perfect device. Are you looking for the top 5 best 4K dash cams for 2026? You are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. This is your tech guide to smarter buying. Stay connected, stay updated, and stay tech smart with us. Thank you. Number 1. The E-YEEGER dashcam is a smart and reliable driving companion designed to capture every journey with clear, high-quality video. Featuring full HD recording, it delivers sharp footage that helps preserve important details, such as road signs, license plates, and traffic conditions. Its wide-angle lens provides broad road coverage, reducing blind spots and improving overall visibility. Equipped with loop recording, the dashcam automatically overwrites the oldest files when storage is full, ensuring uninterrupted recording. The built-in G-sensor detects sudden impacts or collisions and securely locks important footage to prevent accidental deletion. Night vision technology enhances recording quality in low-light environments, making it dependable for both daytime and nighttime driving. Easy to install and operate, the E-YEEGER dashcam offers a user-friendly interface suitable for any driver, whether you're commuting daily or taking long road trips. This dashcam provides added security, reliable evidence, and greater peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. Number 2. The REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dashcam is a reliable driving companion designed to provide complete protection on every journey. Featuring a crystal-clear 4K front camera along with 1080p interior and rear cameras, it captures every angle inside and outside your vehicle with exceptional detail. Its advanced STARVIS 2 sensor, HDR, and WDR technologies deliver outstanding low-light performance for sharp nighttime recordings. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows you to quickly transfer videos to your smartphone through the REDTIGER app, while integrated GPS records your driving route, speed, and location for added evidence when needed. The wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots, and loop recording ensures continuous video capture without interruption. A built-in G-sensor automatically locks important footage during sudden impacts, while the 24/7 parking monitor helps protect your vehicle even when parked. Combining premium video quality, smart connectivity, and dependable security, the REDTIGER F17 is an excellent choice for everyday drivers. Number 3. The A229 plus 2K dual STARVIS 2 dashcam is a premium dual-channel recording system designed to provide outstanding protection on every journey. Equipped with Sony STARVIS 2 image sensors for both the front and rear cameras, it captures crystal-clear 2K Quad HD footage with exceptional detail in daylight and low-light conditions. Advanced HDR technology improves night recordings by balancing bright headlights and dark surroundings, making license plates and road signs easier to identify. Built-in GPS accurately records driving routes and speed, while dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows fast video transfers to your smartphone. Voice control enables hands-free operation for safer driving, and buffered parking mode helps monitor your vehicle even when parked with an optional hardwire kit. Featuring a supercapacitor for improved durability in extreme temperatures, loop recording, G-sensor emergency protection, and support for high-capacity microSD cards, the A229 Plus delivers reliable performance and peace of mind. Number 4. The ROVE R2-4K dashcam is a feature-packed driving companion designed to capture every journey with exceptional clarity. Recording in stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, it delivers sharp video quality that helps capture important details, such as license plates, road signs, and surrounding traffic. Its wide-angle lens provides broad road coverage, while advanced night vision technology ensures reliable recording even in low-light conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to connect the dashcam to your smartphone for quick video playback, downloads, and sharing through the ROVE app. The integrated GPS accurately records your driving route, speed, and location for added peace of mind. With loop recording, G-sensor emergency recording, and support for large-capacity microSD cards, the ROVE R2-4K offers dependable performance for daily commuting and long road trips alike. Compact, easy to install, and packed with smart features, it is an excellent choice for drivers seeking reliable security and high-quality video evidence on every drive. Number 5. The REDTIGER 4K STARVIS 2 dashcam is a premium driving companion designed to deliver exceptional video quality and dependable performance in all lighting conditions. Equipped with advanced Sony STARVIS 2 sensor technology, it captures ultra-clear 4K footage during the day and enhanced low-light recordings at night, ensuring critical details, such as license plates and road signs, remain visible. Built-in Wi-Fi allows quick access to videos through a smartphone app, making playback, downloads, and sharing simple. GPS tracking records your driving route and speed for added evidence when needed. Loop recording automatically overwrites older files, while the G-sensor locks important footage during sudden impacts to prevent accidental deletion. Many models also include 24-hour parking monitoring for added vehicle security when parked. With its wide-angle lens, user-friendly interface, and reliable recording capabilities, the REDTIGER 4K STARVIS 2 dashcam provides peace of mind for daily commuters, road trip enthusiasts, and professional drivers alike.